What fits in my bag? Yay! Yay! What fits in my bag? What fits inside the Goyard Plumet? What fits in the Goyard Plumet? Goyard Plumet. This was a requested video. I've done it before. I'm doing it again in an updated version. What fits inside a Goyard Plumet? Love, obsessed with this bag. So small, so cute, so compact, but so functional and versatile. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, a shopaholic, and today we're going to be doing a quick what fits in the Goyard Plumet pouch. One of my favorite bags from Goyard. Versatile, functional, fits a lot, great, has compartments, everything like that. It's just an easy, casual, throw and go, use, multiple ways to wear bag. Great price point. And if you want to compare it to like a Chanel, like comparable to like a Chanel Wall and Chain or a Kelly to Go, any kind of like little Louis Vuitton pochette kind of thing. So if that's me, you're interested, please stick around. Please smash the like button. Please consider subscribing and keep on watching. Okay. So also this is just a new way to wear it, I guess, this little choker necklace thing. You want it to be easily accessible. You can, because this is not too tight. It kind of looks kind of cool. I can't see how it looks, but I'm sure it looks great. Anyway, okay. So anatomy of the bag, it's got a back big pocket, button closure, front pocket with a card slot, back pocket with a card slot, and then middle zip pocket. So it's got three little parts, right? And you can stuff them. You can really literally stuff them. It just becomes very like, just depends on how you want the bag to look. So if you don't mind it having this like big triangular shape, you can go all the way to that and just kind of stick out from your body like that. If you want less, you can do less. If you want less, if you want it to be very thin and flat to your body, you can do less. Also, the strap, not adjustable, but you can, you can tuck it in and do the whole, like shorten it by crossing it over or doubling it to get a shorter strap, or do the double thing. It's also, I guess, kind of like a ways to wear this. Okay, so you can do the double thing and do a double shoulder or a double, right? So it can turn into a little cute little evening bag too. I'm sure you could almost, if you go like tighten it up, you can make it like almost a belt bag maybe. Kind of what I did. I'm sure there's a way to shorten it with one of those clips or something and make it like a little belt bag. Which actually is a really great idea. I didn't even think about that. This would make a really great belt bag. You can remove the strap and just carry it as a little clutch, or just stuff it with stuff and put it in other bags. Okay, so what fits? My phone fits very comfortably in the back pocket. I will have to get another phone to show you that. Hold on one second. I'll insert a video here of how the phone fits because I did film it separately. My phone, my back pocket. This is a 12 iPhone Pro Max, goes right in, really easy. So my wallet, again, you can take the cards out, but just because I'm using this how I'm using it, and I like to keep all my cards in my wallet, there are 2 card slots, but I like to put my wallet in the middle pocket and then just zip it closed and put nothing else in there. And that's kind of already how stuffed it gets. Then for the front, we're gonna do AirPods. This is what I'm taking with me today, so to run some errands. Change, energy, drinks, and my car keys. It's already getting a little stuffy stuff, but that's okay. House keys in on the top. Okay, so that is stuffy stuff just with my basic essentials, and then the phone will go in the back. But see, it's kind of full, but it still can lay flat to your body. It's a little heavy, but the strap's kind of strong. If you want to go more, get more in, which I'm going to do because I want more, I'm going to put some hand sanitizer that I always carry on me, back pocket, sunscreen, lip gloss for my lip, back pocket, my little journal, hermes journal thingy, where I keep all my ideas for the, ticking and talk and the thinking and the knock, where I want to keep my ideas. I haven't really written any ideas in it yet, but I want to have it on me in case I do come up with any ideas. Okay, so that's kind of like what it looks like now, kind of stuffed, right? Still closes, looks like that, still looks great. That's pretty much everything that I would take into it. Like I said, you can go a little more. Like if I wanted to get, like, for example, a big hand cream in, you can get it in, but it will start, it goes in, like there, it's in, right? And I like is the flap is so big that it will cover it, but then see that then it kind of gets this kind of shape, which is fine. I don't love it, but it looks very full, but that's how it looks. I want a little more flat, but if I wanted to carry a lot of stuff, you could. This bag is, because it's all goyardine canvas, it's very like stretchable. Like you could fit a lot more in here. Let me get a few more things in to just show you. And I'm gonna get something to be my phone. So this isn't exactly a phone, but it's like kind of the same thickness and length. So I'm gonna just put it in the back here so you can kind of see what it would look like stuffed with the phone. But the phone fits very nicely in the back. See. And then a pen, just get it in there. Gotta go a little diagonal. Another lip. Jewelry pouch with my jewelry in it. Necklace pouch with no necklace in it, but if it was, I would squeeze it. Okay. This is getting a little tight, all right. But still, like I said, stuffed with everything. Now it's like really stuffed. Still closes quite easily, and it just looks like a beast. Yeah, I mean, I like that it's easy to stuff, easy to put in. There's a lot of there's like 3 levels of organization. Actually like 4, 5, 6 levels of organization technically. It still can get more in and it will close. It will easily close. Chanel, hard to close, the classic flap, the wallet and chain, hard to close once it's stuffed, and because it doesn't bend that much. This bends a lot. This will stretch. And Kelly to go won't bend that much. Like, you can only fit so much in here because these won't close, you know? Like, it's about the same length. Yeah? So, anyway, think it's great. I'll do a comparison to that one. Actually, do a comparison between that and the wallet on chain. That's a really great idea. Note to self. Chanel wallet on chain versus Chanel versus Kelly to go. Okay, but anyway, that's what fits. This is it stuffed. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Okay, thank you. Let me know in the comments below. Let me know what you think. Again, I love. This is a great bag. And it can fit a lot. Fits a lot. Okay, thanks. Bye. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, please consider subscribing. Please smash the like button. Please share with your friends and family. If you hate it, share with your enemies next. Because I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious. I appreciate you spending your time here with me. I'll see you in the next one, okay?